Hello everyone, this is Tuba Mirza and welcome to Recoding. All the code used inside this video are mentioned inside the description box. So if you like the work we are doing and if you're learning something from our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your group because your subscription will make this type of video happen in the future. So without any further ado, let's get started. In this video, we are going to build a theme switcher. Our final app will look something like this. It has a list view which shows list of items. Inside the list view, we have a navigation link that opens into a new navigation view. On the top of the toolbar, we can open the setting view. This will open a sheet view in which we have added some buttons to change the theme inside the app. Once we press the button, it will change the theme all over the app and saves it inside the app internal storage. So it will remember it when we close our app. This app also stores a color for both light and dark themes, so when we change our phone mode, our app also reacts to that. So let's now start building the app. Recoding is on Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee. Make a small contribution or donations to help us grow our medium. We still offer free content on YouTube and other writing platforms. Also, don't worry, there are other ways to support us. Share us on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media formats with your friends and ask them to subscribe. The links are inside the description box. We have already created an Xcode project with a multi-platform app. First, let's create the structure of the app. Inside the content view body, create a navigation view. Inside it, add list view. Then inside it, add a navigation link. Add destination to text view, which will have some pre-filled text into it. Then add padding. And inside the label of navigation link, add a text view. Then create a for each loop, which starts from 0 and go to 10. Inside it, we create a variable called as item. Then we add a text view which will show the index number of each item variable. Then below the list view, add a sheet view. Then create a state with a private variable as isSheet, which initially equals to false. Then inside sheet modifier is presented parameter add isSheet variable as binding. Then create another modifier of toolbar. Add a button inside it. Inside the action parameter, add the isSheet variable dot toggle. This will change the variable of toggle view. For the label, we add a label view show text as a setting and add icon as gear. Add navigation title as theme changer. Create another SwiftUI file called as a sheet item view. Then inside sheet modifier closure, add sheet item view. Now run the app inside the simulator. Now we can see our app is working fine as we intended. Navigation title inside the navigation link using navigation title modifier. Now create a group of theme. Inside it, create a Swift file as theme. Remove the import of Foundation and add SwiftUI into it. Now we create a protocol to handle the variable which we want to add to every theme. So, create a protocol called theme. Then inside it, add some variable as primary color conforms to color, which will have a get and a set properties. Then create another variable as secondary color conforms to color class. Then create another variable as label color which also conforms to color. And finally, theme name which conforms to string. For the sake of this project, we store the color inside the assets file. Inside it, create a new folder. Then create a new color set. Then we store color for our first theme, named it as 1-primary color. A color set stores the value of both light and dark theme. Any appearance will store the color of the light theme. We just simply select the color, then open the sidebar, and in the color section, we change the input method to hexadecimal and add the hexadecimal code. Similarly, add for the dark color. Then create another color set, name it as 1-secondary color. Similarly, add hexadecimal code into it. Create another color set for label color. This will hold color for the text inside the views. Then we create some other color combination. Create a new Swift file called theme collection. This file will hold all the themes we want to show in our app. Create a final class called green theme which conforms to the theme protocol that we earlier created. Now tapping on the fix button will automatically add the variables. Inside it, we equal primary color to color and add the name of the first primary color we created inside the assets file. Similarly, we add colors for secondary and label colors. Then name the theme as green theme. So here we can see we name each string name according to the color we store inside the assets folder. Then copy the class and paste it below and change the name to orange and change the number from 1 to 2. And finally change the name of the theme to orange. Similarly, create copy and paste the class below and name it as red theme. And change the respective variables. Then create another Swift file called Theme Manager. This file stores users' chosen theme, also get and set the theme. Inside it, create a class called Theme Manager, which conforms to observable object. We add it to observable object because we need to observe its one variable value change across each of our views. Inside it, create a static letShared which initialize the Theme Manager class. This will create our Theme Manager class as a singleton class, so we can access its each variable or functions from any structure or class where we require. Then create a public variable themes that conforms to the theme array. This equals to arrays of all the theme classes we have created inside the theme collection file. Then create a published property wrapper called selected theme which conforms to theme. This equals to green theme. This variable will be observed theme change, and when the user taps on the theme change, it will automatically change its value. Create a public function as applyTheme, which takes theme as a parameter that conforms to integer. Then inside it, we set the selected theme equal to themes array and add the theme integer inside it. Create another property wrapper of app storage inside it. Add selected theme as value to store inside app storage. Then create a variable theme selected and add the initial value to 0. This value will store the integer value of the theme selected by the user. Create another function of getTheme. This will set the selected theme variable to the themes array and set the value of the theme selected inside the array. Then inside the class, create an initializer that initiates the getTheme function. Then inside the main app view, we create a property wrapper of stateObject and initiate our theme manager class. And pass it inside the content view as an environment object. Then inside the content view file, we create an environment object and require the theme manager file. Then inside the navigation link destination, create a Z stack. Add the text view inside it. Then we use theme manager.selected theme.primary color. Then use the modifier of ignore the safe area of all side. Now run the simulator and open the navigation link, and here we can see that our app is working fine. Now let's work on a sheet item view. Inside it, create Z stack. Create an environment object as theme manager. Similarly, add the secondary color. Then create a for each loop which starts from 0 and less than theme manager.themesArray.count. Then it creates a variable as theme count. Then inside it, create a button view. Inside the action, add with animation block. And add our applyTheme function and add the theme count into it. Then for the text, we are going to show a text view and show the theme name for each theme. Open the simulator. Open the setting button. We need to add a button inside the V stack as all buttons are stacked in the Z direction. Now add some button modifier into it. Now we can see that our app is switching theme. We can also see our app change its appearance all the views we created. Now let's work on how to change the color of the navigation view. To do so, we need to create a modifier to change the color of the navigation view. Create another Swift file, name it as custom modifiers. Inside it, create a structure list background color modifier which conforms to view modifier. Inside it, create a constant as background color which conforms to color. Create a init add a parameter of background color which conforms to color. Then we set the structure background color to input background color. Then we use UI table view.appearance function and use background color. Then set the background to background color and wrap it inside the UI color. Then create a function of the body that takes the content as a parameter and returns some view. Inside it, we return the content. Then create an extension to the list view and create a function as list modifier, which requires the modifier of background color as color class add a return value of some view. Then return self.modifier and add return our list background color modifier structure we have created above. Inside the content view, add the list background modifier and add the primary color using the theme manager variable. Now run the app. Here we can see that our app color has been changed to green color. But the problem is when we change the color of the theme, we couldn't change the color of the list background. To solve it, we need to create a mechanism to tell our app to change the color of the list view. But first, we need to save the theme change inside the App Storage wrapper. Open the Theme Manager file. Inside the Apply Theme function, we add a set theme selected variable to the value of the theme, which we take as a parameter inside the Apply function. Now open App again inside the simulator. Add Change Theme. And when we open the navigation link, it will automatically change the theme of the list view. Also, but it won't happen in real time when changing the theme. To solve it, we create a new SwiftUI file called Wrapper View. Copy the environment object of Theme Manager from Content View and paste it inside the Wrapper View. Then inside the Wrapper View body, we create a for each loop which starts from 0 and goes up to the count of themes array stored inside the Theme Manager. Add ID as self. Then create a variable of theme count. Then we check if the Theme Manager theme name is equal to Theme Manager of the selected theme name. If it's true, we show the content view. Then we'll refresh the content view when we change the theme each time and change the color of the theme inside the content view. Then inside the app main view, we remove the content view and add the wrapper view into it. Now run the app and change the theme. So we can see that our app is finally working and changing the theme in real time. Now add another modifier for the nav bar called as Navigation Bar Custom Modifier, which we earlier created in the previous view of Customized Navigation Bar using UI Navigation Bar Appearance. Now add this modifier inside the list view, add the respective color, wrap it inside the UI color class. Now run the app. So here we can see the color changes in the navigation bar. Now change the theme. Here we can see that our app color has been changed. Inside the navigation link, add the padding below the text view, not below Z stack. Change the background color to secondary color. Now toggle the color of the app to a dark theme. To do so, tap on the Feature button on the menu bar. Tap on the Toggle Appearance button. This will change our appearance to dark. Here we can see that our app is working fine with dark mode also, as we change the app theme. And now open the app again, so we can see that our app also remembers the app theme color state. So this is how theme switching works inside the SwiftUI app. And yes, let us know what you liked or disliked about this video in the comment section. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. And yes, do not forget to suggest some more topics. For now, I'll be signing off. We'll definitely see you all in the next video.